Hey guys, this is Paul Brown and today we're looking at a slideshow using cycle.js plugin for jQuery. It's a very good plugin. It's produced some very nice slideshows and is very easy to use. So easy, in fact, I would say that anybody of any level with any web coding would be able to use it and produce something that's quite good. Basically, I'm just going to show you a quick run through of how you would set a quick slideshow up. So without further ado, let's crack on. So we'll just have a quick look at the markup that we've got at the moment. We've got the jQuery linked in, and we've got the cycle.js plugin linked in there. Now you can get this cycle.js from two places really. You can get it from the vendor's website, which will be at the bottom of the screen when this tutorial draws to its conclusion, or you can actually get it from the source code of the demo. If we just look at going into the source code, what you can do with any JavaScript file really is you can click on it in the source code view of your browser, and that will load the actual code onto the screen. And it's just a case really of selecting all the text with Ctrl-A, copying it with Ctrl-C, and putting it into a text file and saving it as whatever you want to save it as, and then linking that file into your source code. It's as simple as that. But I would advise that the best way is to go to the vendor's website who makes the plugin, because you get full instructions there, and obviously you'll be able to see some more demonstrations and things like that. But if we go back to our code, so what we've got at the moment is basically just three images that are in the slideshow to start with, and as you can see, one is on top of each other. Now if we just quickly jump into the CSS, we'll see that the box that contains our slideshow, we've set the width to 800 pixels, the height to 500 pixels, and we've set the margin top and bottom to 20, and the margin left, right to auto, just to sort of center it up in the screen for this tutorial. What I would say is at the moment we've got one image stacked on top of one another. Now if we run the jQuery plugin, that will sort that out for us, and it will put one on top of each other and produce a nice slideshow, no problem at all. But what I would advise is that we use the overflow hidden, because if we come across a user who's got JavaScript switched off, then basically what we want them to see, oops, a bit of a typo there. That's a good thing about NetBeans, is if you make a typo like I did there, you do get a warning that it doesn't know what it is. You can see straight away you've made a mistake. Basically what you want people to see, if they've not got JavaScript on, is just the first image obviously, and then it doesn't break your website design. Otherwise you will just have one stacked on top of another, and obviously that will move all the content around on your website, which is not really what you want to do. So put the overflow hidden on. Like I say, it's not really required for the actual plugin to work, but it's always a good idea for people who don't have JavaScript switched on. So let's, without further ado, look at the jQuery to make the slideshow work. And just in here we've got the document ready function, so that's up there and basically tells the browser not to do anything with jQuery until the page is ready. So let's have a look at the jQuery. So we've got a selector here, which basically is saying get the element with an ID of slideshow, which is represented with the hashtag, much like it would be in CSS. And we're using the cycle plugin, and then we've got some parameters there telling us what kind of effects we want. And that is basically all that is required. At the moment we've just got three images in there, but we could put as many images in there as we would need to, and it would basically take care of it. We don't need to do no more messing around with queuing, no more messing around with delays. It's all handled for us. No matter how many images we put in there, it'll handle it for us. So let's have a quick look at a slideshow in action. So this is the first one. This is the uncover, which basically just slides one image left to right and reveals the one underneath. And let's have a look at another one. There's a very nice one called Shuffle. So we'll have a quick look at that one. It looks like shuffling a pack of cards. And we'll have a quick look at another one. We'll look at Zoom. So that's that one. Like I was saying, you can put as many images in this container as you want. So let's just put another 3 in there. I've got 6 images all together. Not bothered about changing the alt tag for this tutorial. And so now we'll get a slideshow with 6 images. Here's the first one. There's the second one. And there's the next one. And that's it. For a full list of effects, please see the vendor's website, which is available here. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.